Hey guys, it's me Ram here, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Cubicle Wingy Skewb. So yeah, let's get straight into this. Whoopsie. Oh wow, it has plastic wrap on it. Interesting. The Cubicle Pro Shop Bell didn't have it. Let me go ahead and just open this up. There is some tape on here. So let's go ahead and just quickly. Oopsie, almost dropped that. Anyways, this looks pretty good. Let's get on to first turns. Oh my god, it's so slippery right now. I cannot hold this. Oops. You know what guys, I'll be back after cleaning this up a bit. So yeah, I didn't realize that I got a transparent stand with this. This looks really nice. Anyways, about this Skewb, it's a lot less gummy out of the box than the Pyramix was. In my opinion, I honestly like this a lot more than the Pyramix as of now. This turns extremely well, and overall I can execute my algorithms much better than my regular X-Man Wingy Skewb, and I just really love this puzzle. So for my first impressions, I'll give this Skewb a 9.5 out of 10. So that's about it for my first impressions video on the Cubicle Pro Shop X-Man Wingy Skewb. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and bye.